Have you heard about the new dynamic array functions in Excel?
Yes, I know these are something new in Excel, but I don't know much about them. I've actually been a little intimidated to try them out.
Well, they are pretty different, but once you start using them, you'll be amazed at how they can help you with your work.
Will they save me time in Excel?
Absolutely.
Make my work easier?
Yes.
Make me look like a hero to my boss?
Definitely.
Make me younger and wiser?
Well, I can't promise that.
That's okay. I'll take the first three. So where do we start?
Well, first of all, you should know that dynamic array functions are only available in Microsoft 365 or 2021 versions. They're so new, they aren't available in any other versions.
Okay, I'm using Microsoft 365, so I should have them. But I really have to ask, what exactly is a dynamic array function?
Well, let's say you have a data set with department information on one sheet and you want to see information for just one department on another sheet. Now you don't have to copy and paste links or create an advanced filter or create lookup functions or use a pivot table. You would use dynamic arrays.
This sounds like a game changer.
It definitely is. A dynamic array function allows one formula to return multiple results to a range of cells based on a single function. As another example, you might need to multiply two columns. Until now, in the entire history of Excel, you would enter the function in one cell and you got one result. In order to get results from a formula into multiple cells, you had to either copy a formula to an entire range or create an array formula, often called a CSC formula.
CSE.
It actually stands for Control, Shift, Enter. That's the key combination we had to use to make the array formulas work.
Should I write that down?
No. The great part about dynamic arrays is that you no longer have to use that technique. These functions automatically spill the results into adjacent empty cells, and the range size can vary.
Spill? That sounds like a messy accident.
It does, but that's actually the technical term. It's what Microsoft calls spill behavior, and the results are in a spill range.
So the results spill over into other cells. That sounds useful.
And they're also dynamic,
Hence the name.
which means they don't need to be refreshed in order to update.
I always have to refresh my pivot tables and my queries, but I don't have to refresh these?
Right. They will always be up to date. There are 7 new dynamic array functions: unique, filter, sort, sort by, transpose, random array, and sequence.
They sound useful, but I'm still having trouble picturing how this works. I think I'm ready to see an example.
We'll start looking at functions in the next lesson.